Did you know that this thing is related to hyenas? This is the Aardwolf. The Aardwolf, or Prostalis cristata, is one of 4 different species of hyena, being the smallest one. In Afrikaans, they're referred to as earth wolves and sometimes called manhar jackal. They have an unusual brownish yellow coat with black stripes, much like a zebra, and can weigh up to 12 kilograms or 26 pounds. They're found in 2 different regions on Earth, the southern tip of Africa and the eastern horn of Africa. Aardwolves, both the males and females, are solitary creatures until they mate, at which point they live in monogamous pairs. After 100 days, a mother will give birth to a cub. Aardwolf pairs will have upwards of 12 different dens they burrow in. Both males and females mark their territory with their anal gland. They smear a black substance on rocks and grass stalks in long streaks that smells really bad. They burrow during the day, and being nocturnal, they feed at night. The aardwolf is a weird species as it primarily feeds on termites. They're so highly adapted to eating these tiny bugs. Through the process of evolution, they only have their canine teeth left. They're able to tear meat. The rest of their teeth are tiny pegs. They're only able to crunch the termites, and designed well to do that. Their fangs, while not used for eating, do provide protection against other aardwolves when defending their territory. The aardwolves dine on 2 types of termites. When one goes dormant during the winter, they switch to the other type. They'll consume around 200,000 to 300,000 termites per night, but termites are limited in their range, which limits the range the aardwolf lives. This doesn't affect their ability to live in different terrains, such as savannas, grasslands, and open plains though. In general, they stay away from mountainous regions. As mentioned earlier, they live in 2 different regions, the southern tip of Africa and the eastern horn. Depending on their region, they may get other types of food sources that are not just termites. This could include sparingly small birds, carrion, eggs, and mice. Now you might ask, how does one eat 200,000 to 300,000 termites per night? They have an incredibly slimy, sticky tongue that just slurps them up. So essentially they're just sticking tons of them in every single gulp. It's unusual while these are in the same hyena family, they're solitary, where hyenas are pack animals, and hyenas are scavengers and depend on meat and bones. It's very interesting how evolution has completely changed the course of this species. The Frankfurt Zoo in Germany had an aardwolf, which is now known as the oldest living aardwolf at almost 19 years old when it died in captivity. Hopefully you enjoyed this episode. I've got more content over on my TikTok at Fruits and Forests. Until next one, have a good one.